Hello, good morning. Thanks for joining in. Today I'm going to be making some spicy potato cutlets. What are cutlets? Cutlets are like burgers made out of potatoes. They're all vegetarian. Some people do fill them with mincemeat as well, and sometimes I do if I fancy it. I got about half a dozen small to medium leftover potatoes. So I'm going to boil these until these are soft and going to take the skin off. While this is happening, I'm going to fry some finely chopped onions. I've got one large onion which I have finely chopped, which goes into my frying pan. And I'm going to put very small amount of oil in there because I don't want the onions to be very oily. Otherwise they'll make the potatoes very oily. So literally a touch of oil in there, and I'm going to start frying these onions, and I shall see you once the potatoes are boiled and peeled. So there are my boiled potatoes. They're nice and soft. My fried onions go in there. I've chopped up some fresh mint, which is also going to go in there. I got two fresh green chilies. I've taken the seeds out because they are quite spicy and hot, so I don't want it very hot. I've chopped them finely. You can leave the seeds if you're okay with the spice. I have a teaspoonful of salt, just going to go in there, and half a teaspoon or 3/4 teaspoonful of chili powder. I have 2 teaspoonfuls of chaat masala. I made this at home. You can use a packet mix if you want. You can get it on the internet or from any of the Asian shops. In one of my future videos, I'm going to show you how to make chaat masala at home. So that goes there. And I have got a teaspoonful of amchur powder or imli powder. That goes in. 2 teaspoonfuls of cumin seeds, which I have roasted in a frying pan, dry roasted, and I have crushed them with my spice mix, and going to sprinkle that on top. Going to mix this together and crush all the potatoes. So there we are. Potatoes are nicely mushed up. I've not made them into a very fine, like almost powder like, but they're nicely mushed. No big bits in there. And into it, I'm going to put some egg. An amount of egg I'm using is about, this is a whole egg which I have beaten up, so about enough to wet the whole thing, but not the whole egg. It will become too watery and won't be able to make kebabs easily. So I put 4 teaspoonfuls of egg in there, or maybe 2 tablespoonfuls, and mix it up nicely. Now we want the egg to bind the potato together, otherwise when I'm making and frying the kebabs, they will all fall apart. So mix it up nicely, and I'm going to give it an hour. I'll leave it in the fridge for an hour to cool down, and also for the egg to bind the potato nicely. So I've taken them out of the fridge after exactly an hour. I'm going to make little discs out of it. Make them quite flat so they cook evenly on both sides. Then all I need to do is fry these. I got 12 cutlets in total over here, and I have also have some egg over here, which I have beaten up. So my oil is nicely heating away. What I'm going to do, I got some plain flour here. So there is the cutlet. Dip it in the egg. Goes into the plain flour, both sides. It binds it together and gives a nice crust on top. You can use breadcrumbs if you want. I haven't made any breadcrumbs. Normally I make fresh ones at home. So goes in there. And once they are golden, I'll take them out of the fryer. So I fried the cutlets on both sides, nice and lovely and brown. And that's it, that's the cutlets. And going to have them today with mixed tarka dal and plain tarka rice. And I hope you enjoy it. And also I've made some mint chutney to go with these cutlets. So all these videos, all these recipes will be uploaded in the video today. So until next time, I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.